Today we're going to be making some high protein chocolate chip cookies. Today guys, we are going to be making some high protein chocolate chip cookies. These cookies guys, they are delicious, crunchy, and is an healthy alternative for the regular chocolate chip cookies. These are all the ingredients that we're going to need to make our high protein chocolate chip cookies. Alright, so we need a half cup cocoa powder, half cup sugar. You can use any sugar of your choice. We're going to need 1 beaten egg and about or wet mixture to our dry mix. So we're going to be mixing this until we have a nice dough-like batter. Now we're going to be forming some balls with our cookie batter and add it to a prepared baking tray. The size of the cookie balls depends on how big you want your cookies. The next thing we're going to be doing is press the center of our cookie. You can use your hand or you can also use a fork. And I'm just going to be topping off my chocolate chip dough with some extra chocolate chips. This looks so delicious and it's not yet baked. We're going to bake this at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 177 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. Once our cookies are baked, we're going to put this to cool before we enjoy. And there you have our crunchy, healthy, high protein chocolate chip cookies. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, leave a comment down below, and subscribe for more.